Alright, so now we fastened back there and here. I'll measure up to that bottom of that Z channel there. And it's 28 3/4 inches to the bottom of it, and allowing it to lap over here. 28 7/8. But check it out. Go from that lap. 28 5/8. 20 1/2 is right there. So what do you say we just cut that metal right on that edge? Now, I could take a razor knife. I have shears. I have multiple kinds of ways to cut. I can cut with cutting shears that I have. I can cut with a grinder wheel that I have. But I'm going to end up using a razor knife. And we'll see how good I am at that. If not, I can use electric shears, but we'll see. And, I think what I'll do is I'll cut with the razor knife, not razor knife, snips, right here, and encourage it to break there on both sides. And maybe we'll encourage it a little bit more. Let's put this up, cameraman.